Good day folks, this is Malik here for Swift Numbers. Welcome to my channel. I've just got myself a Galaxy S10. Yeah, so I'm going to do an unboxing of my newly purchased Galaxy S10 device. You can see here on the box is engraved Galaxy S10, and the one I got is the Prism Green color, right? And then this is actually the 128 GB memory, and then comes with a 8 GB RAM, and it has a 12 megapixel OIS ultra wide and 12 megapixel OIS f.2 camera, and it comes with a wireless power share, wireless charging, and it's a IP68 water and dust resistant model. So let's do the unboxing. So let's do the unboxing now, guys. Okay, here we go. That was straightforward. Okay, there's the Samsung box here, the pin, and the device itself. Okay, let's take the device, put them aside, flip behind to explore wonders of Galaxy. Okay, some buttons. The one I got is the Prism Green. Can you see the color? Green color. Sure, it's a glass panel back. This comes with a pre-installed screen protector here, and there's a front camera on the top right, and protective screen on the back. Okay, let's put it aside. So what else is inside the box? We have the charger, the cable itself, the AKG in-ear earphone, power adapter. So what else we have here? So this is the cover, I believe. Let's open up and see what else. Okay, we have the quick guide here, quick start guide, and then the casing that comes along with this device for the S10. So it's basically just to fit in. Okay, it's best to put a cover once you get a phone, otherwise you might have a drop. You might drop it accidentally. To avoid accidental drop, recommended to put the cover as soon as you unbox the phone, any phone that you buy. Most manufacturers, phone manufacturers now provide a casing for your device. It's a good sign that Samsung, Huawei, the big players in the market right now are providing a case. They realize the importance of the case, and the phone comes with a protective screen as well. Try not to peel off the screen. Okay, so let's turn on the device. Galaxy S10 secured by Knox, powered by Android. starting Android. So let's go. I'm selecting the default UK language, and I will not check the marketing information. If you can see the marketing information optional, I will not check it. I'll just agree to the end user license, and I'll uncheck this. Otherwise, I'll be receiving tons of in-app advertisements. So that's the reason I'm unchecking the marketing information link, diagnostic data. I do not want them. So next, I will skip this for now, and next, just a second, accept it. Now skip anyway, get recommended apps. I will skip this as well. Skip. All done, and clear flash. Finish. So there you go, guys. I've unboxed and turned on the device. So in the upcoming video, I will do a full review of this phone, Galaxy S10, and give you my thoughts on how do I find this phone. So far this is very compact as from what I see, and there's the 3 cameras as they mentioned, with the flashlight here, 1, 2, 3, and then the camera, front right camera. It's a punch-hole camera here. So on first look, the phone looks fantastic. Good hole, great hole. It's a one-handed phone, not so bulky, and I find that it's quite responsive. Okay, thank you for watching this unboxing video. If you like this video, click on the like button, and do remember to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell button to receive the notification on my new uploads. So I'll catch you again in another video with a review of this Galaxy S10. Thank you.